Today's subject, Division 7A. Just banks, bank consultancy, not your ordinary accountants. Tidbit of the day. One of the terms that accountants will bandy around from time to time, and you might even hear it on the TV or on the radio when the taxman's talking about, is Division 7A. Now Division 7A is like a penalty section of the Tax Act, where if you've drawn money from your company or trust and you haven't paid tax on it, then you may very well cop a Division 7A assessment and be asked to pay tax on it as if it was a deemed dividend. Now these dividends do not have franking credits and cause part of your assessable income. So if you're drawing money from your company that you hadn't loaned it originally, and now you have what's called a debit balance in your loan account with that entity, then you may be up for a Division 7A assessment. There are ways and means around it, and if you want to discuss those sorts of things, come and contact us here at Banks Consultancy. Banks Consultancy, not your ordinary accountant.